Hey, what's up, Glow fam? It's your girl Mo, and we're back at it again. Today we're going to be doing a wig transformation video, and I'm so excited. I got this hair from RPG Hair, and it was longer, but I did cut it into kind of a long bob, kind of about shoulder length, and I wanted to add a little spice to it, so we are going to add some color and lighten it up just a bit. So I'm going to be using some Suave clarifying shampoo, some Clairol 30 volume developer, some Clairol BW2 bleach, and of course a mixing bowl and mixing brush applicator. So for the consistency, I was pretty much eyeballing everything. I didn't have exact measurements. I pretty much used a nice dollop size of the clarifying shampoo to cover the bottom of my mixing bowl, and with the BW2 bleach powder, I did 1 scoop initially into it, and after eyeballing the 30 volume developer, it was a little bit runnier than what I wanted, so I just added in a 2nd scoop of the bleach to kind of thicken it up, and it gave it somewhat kind of like a paste look. I want more of a, not like blonde, Barbie doll blonde, but just a little bit of a lighter color since it is summertime. I didn't have any rhyme or reasoning for the sections or parting the hair. I kind of was just going with the flow of wherever it landed. I knew that I didn't want it to be like a uniform kind of coloring. I just wanted it to be in sporadic spots. But here we are, applying that to just small sections in the back, and then I'm mainly getting it on the closer to the roots in the middle of the hair, because I wasn't sure if I was going to want to cut the bob shorter or keep it at this length. And we're just going to repeat the same exact steps going up to the front of the hair. Not really anything specific, any kind of method that I'm using per se. I'm just putting bleach wherever I want there to be highlights. So in the comment section, tell me how you guys liked my intro song. It was giving me Moesha vibes. I was like, Motada, Eatada, Moesha. So tell me if you guys liked it. So all of the details for this wig will be listed in the description box below. Check that out if you want to know where I got it from. And if you guys want to see a review or my thoughts on this hair, then give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, I just sped up the video because I didn't want it to get too repetitive for you guys, since I'm basically doing the same exact thing. But I'll let you enjoy the music, and I will catch up with you in a bit. So here, you guys, I have finished the coloring process. I washed out all of the bleach and I deconditioned my wig in the microwave. And I'm just cutting some bangs because I wanted a little bit of a different look. I didn't want to wear it in a middle or side part. And so I just decided, let's go with some bangs because that would also cover up the lace that I kind of messed up. But we ain't gonna talk about that right now. We ain't gonna judge on that. Alright guys, so here she is. I'm really loving the color. It came out as like a nice honey blonde, and there are a couple of even more highlights to a lighter blonde, and then there are a couple more low lights, so I really like the variation in it. I decided to put in some wand curls. It's kind of almost giving me a 90s vibe, and I'm really feeling and loving it, you guys. And I'm just going to show you a couple of still pictures so that way you can get a better feel for the color vibrancy. Alright guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Glow Fam!